Tall and messy weeds are hard to handle. Overgrowing weeds take lots of time and effort to clean manually. We're testing this mower in this field today. Let's see how well it works. We will judge its quality based on operation, running performance, body stability, and cutting effect. Let's begin. Easy to operate. Pass. Smooth running. Pass. Sharp cutting performance. Pass. Stable body. Pass. All tests are passed. See real-world performance from the field work. Good machines prove themselves in practice. Leave us a message if you need.
Shuoling Generator Manufacturing Factory.